You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived. I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Part of the way that I stand, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold.
I, Sebastian, take you, Andrea, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, until death do us part.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
I, Andrea, take you, Sebastian, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, in sickness and in health, for richer and poor, until death do us part.
I, Sebastian, offer this ring to you as a symbol of my commitment, love, honor, and respect. I promise to stand with you as we share this life and cherish the memories we make together.
I, Andrea, offer this ring to you as a symbol of my commitment, love, honor, and respect. I promise to stand with you as we share this life and cherish the memories we make together.
And so, by the power vested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sebastian, you may kiss your bride. It is my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Andrea.
Honey.
All the mother lame and you know it now. When the real hold you down, you supposed to drown. Bam. Bam.
Honey.
What you doing in the club on a Thursday? She said she only here for a girl birthday. They order champagne but still look thirsty. Rock forever 21 but just turned 30. I know I got a bad reputation. Walk around always mad reputation. Leave a pretty girl sad reputation. Start a fight club, Brad reputation. I turned the nightclub bad at the basement. I turned the plane around, yo keep complaining. How you gon' be mad on vacation? Dutton whining around all these Jamaicans. This that prime. This that what we do, don't tell your mom. This that red cup all on the lawn. Got a fresh cut straight out the salon.
Here we go. You're tired of loving
your eyes and let the word paint 1,000 pictures. One good girl is worth 1,000. Bam. Bam.
Honey.
I wanna f you hard on the sink. After that, give you something to drink. Step back, can't get on the mink. I mean, what would Jerome think? Hey, you remember where we first met? Okay, I don't remember.
I cannot wait to watch y'all spend the rest of y'all's lives together. I can't wait to grow old with y'all and talk more and drink more when we're all wrinkly. So everyone, I would like y'all to raise y'all's glasses. Let's get a cheers to the Hudmans and a long life of love.
Maybe we can make it to Christmas. She asked me what I wish for on my wish list. Have you ever asked shit for other? Maybe we could still make it to
Y'all
the
are such a
church.
beautiful couple that brought in literally the most beautiful baby in the whole world. And I love y'all so much for making me an aunt and a godmother, and I take so much pride in it because it's you guys, and I thank God every single day that y'all picked me for that. Seeing you guys be parents together makes me so overwhelmed with joy that y'all have no idea. I hope you guys know how much I adore y'all and y'all's little family that y'all have created. Now I'd like everyone to raise their glasses to make a toast. May God bless the two of you with a lifetime of happiness and love. And I love y'all more than my words could ever describe. And here's to y'all's forever.
Honey.
Jerome's in the house, watch your mouth. Jerome's in the house, watch your mouth, your mouth, your mouth. Bam.